everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Dylan, here. Happy end of July.
Oh my god, why is my voice like...
We're refilming that. That was shit.
Hey y'all, before the video starts, it's Emma Chamberlain here. I'm the only one that uses photo booth for shitty editing. I actually love her, but her fans are fucking annoying. But, yeah, just before this video starts, there's like this weird camera thing, like sound throughout. It's like, and I really don't want our film, so just like please try to ignore it, and also ignore that ugly ass fucking pimple. Oh, it's still there. She's still here. Yeah, try to ignore that, but, yeah, so enjoy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Dylan here, and happy August. It would be August maybe by the time I post this. I don't even fucking know. So today I'm doing a July's favorites video. I don't think anyone gives a shit about favorites anymore, but I'm again really lazy, and not lazy, but like I just don't have creative ideas. But yeah. Literally, Jeffree Star and James Charles made a video about not doing favorites, but... So, anyways, let's just get into the video. That's so fucking stupid. Okay, let's start off this video. First of all, my favorite thing is my nose ring. I just got it pierced at the beginning of July, actually, and I love it so much. I've been wanting one ever since, like when Troye Sivan got his in like 2016. I love it, and I'm really happy with it. Start off with items, because I'm a whatever you call whore. So, first thing I got is my new phone. I sound like I'm bragging, I actually fucking hate this. This is the iPhone 8. It is in the silver color. Yeah, so my plan was up so I can get a new phone. And then I just got this case from Urban Outfitters. It has dried daisies in it, and I'm living for it. And the next thing is, this is so Emma Chamberlain. But it's the Smith's Rosebud Salve. It's not slave. But yeah, it's the rose one. I love anything rose, and it smells and doesn't taste good, but you know what I mean? Like, lip balm tastes good, but it feels really nice, and it's very, like, you know, I like it. I'm living for it. The next thing I love this month is this Milk face mask I got it from Marshall's, Winners, I don't know, they're all the same to me. But yeah, it's just like this. I love Milk, like it's so minimalistic, it's so cool. The scent is kind of weird though, I'm not the biggest fan of it. But it's like a very like milky formula, no pun intended. But like it is honestly, like you leave it on and then you like it off, and it's actually like feels really nice, and it kind of saves my skin. So Milk face mask. Ooh, look at me, holy shit. I love that. The next thing is this candle from Urban Outfitters. It smells so good. It is wildflower scented, and it does not smell like wildflowers because like it's not as florally, but it just smells so fucking good. And like it's a nice summer candle because happy fucking summer, bitches. So the next thing is this speaker. I got it with my phone. It was free. It is the UE Boom 2. It's like the waterproof one, and like it has a really fucking good sound. Like it sounds amazing. Like just like hear this. My mom texted me. Hi, hello. Oh, it's connected. Shit, that's so loud.
Young ambitious, slow burning, never do. See me spending every night with you. You still look like that in my head. You know what I wanna do. We can just dance to this. Just dance to this. We can just dance to this.
That's enough. Okay, thank you. Shit, man. So yeah, that's the UBM 347-2. I don't know what the fuck it's called. Yeah. Cool. Okay, next thing I got is this Kanken. Look at me, I'm such an art whore. So I already have a Kanken. I think that's what that. I'm white, so I don't know how to fucking pronounce it, but yeah, I already have this one. But this color is what I originally wanted, and then this one I had to get because it was on sale and it was really cheap. But the place where I work now sells them, so I can get a good discount, which is pretty good. And I love these bags so much. I know everyone thinks they're like super small, but I can fit my laptop in them, and I can like, it's worth it if you can fit your laptop because that's all I need for school, really. Fuck, I'm out of breath. But yeah, I love it. I live for her. It's so summer. It's so like vibe. Okay, next thing, we'll do music. So I'll flash photos of the Spotify thingy, you know what I mean? A good amount of new music, but like also I really do love listening to the ones I listed last year because I like love reminiscing on old memories. But I'm in love with Billie Eilish's new song, You Should See Me in a Crown. Holy shit, it's like so cinematic and like so like dark and like grim, and like I love her to death. But oh shit, my ears are ringing! I've been obsessed with the band Boy Pablo for about a month now. I mean, it's the end of the month, but no, like, they have like good songs. They're like kind of like, they're like not the best, but they're like good, and like I like their music. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I'm just trying to be me. Troye Sivan's new song with Ariana Grande. Duh, obviously I fucking like it. Like, I mean, how... Troye Sivan and Ariana Grande, like, I mean, enough said. I've been in love with this song, Golden Hour by Casey Musgrave. She's kind of like a country artist, but like, I don't really think she is. She opened for Harry Styles after all. But it's such a like a golden hour song, you know? I love listening to it at golden hour. And it's a good song. It's like summer vibes. God is a Woman, Ariana Grande, duh, obviously. Like, fuck, like these songs, like, obviously I fucking like them. Sorry, I'm like, my ear is ringing! The song that has like ultimately taken over my summer and is my summer is One Kiss, Calvin Harris and Dua Lipa. This song came out in April, no, March, I think March. Maybe April. I don't fucking know. Anyways, summer vibe. Like, I don't get how Calvin Harris does it, but he literally makes the best summer songs, and he knows what it is to be a summer song, and he's just fucking incredible, and I love it. And Dua Lipa, iconic. Yeah, anyways, moving on to more music is I got 2 vinyls. So this one, Calvin Harris, again, Funkwave Bounces Volume 1. Holy shit, I fucking love this album. I loved it last year. I still listen to all the songs this year, as well as SZA's. I love the aesthetic of the album as well, and this is probably Calvin Harris's best work, honestly. I love every song, but favorites have to be Cash Out, Rolling, Skirt on Me, and Faking It, and Hard to Love, and Heat Stroke, and Slide. Because they're all fucking good, and he just knows what it is to be summer. And so the next one I recently got, and I mean, obviously I fucking love it, is Rex Orange County's Apricot Princess. Holy fuck, I love this album so much. Rex is just something, I don't know, he's just so amazing. But like, it comes with this booklet, and it's like pictures, and I fucking love it. And like, this last page is literally everything. Like, he has a fucking golf t-shirt. Like, him and Tyler are, honestly, should get married. But the best thing about this vinyl is, like, hello. It's fucking orange. It's apricot orange. It's so beautiful. I fucking love this album with all my heart. Favorite song? Probably Apricot Princess. Untitled, 4 Seasons. Never Enough. It's so good. But Best Friend is my favorite song by him. It's so iconic. So iconic. Moving on to clothing. I went thrifting a lot this wow, these are all thrifted. Anyways, I've been thrifting like a lot lately, just cause like I like being like hip and like on trend, and but I got this. I'll just show you guys what I have. So this sweater is like a quarter zip, blue color. I love the color. It's just such a like different color, which I vibe with.
I sound so fucking annoying, holy shit!
Anyways, it says Eaton 2000 on it, whatever that means. I don't fucking know, but that's what you get for thrifting. This sweater, this next one, like I literally have been wearing, I think, every single day. I don't know why, but like I love wearing sweaters more than ever in summer, which makes no sense, but I just like a late summer like campfire vibe. But it's Nike Athletics. I got it from Goodwill and I literally fucking love it so much. It's so fucking cozy and it's so perfect. It even has a stain on it, which I like love because it just shows the authenticity. And also the sleeves are a little red thingy things, but I rolled them up because it's such a big sweater. But I literally wore this every day and I'm not kidding you when I say I wear it every fucking day. Anyways, moving on. The next thing I got, I find shorts very ugly anymore. Like they're not what I prefer for shorts. So this summer I started thrifting jeans and then just cutting them myself. And these ones came out perfect. They are these black denim. The brand is like a Walmart brand. I switched it up. Riders, I think, by Lee. Whatever the fuck that is. But they fit so perfectly. And I rolled them up because I'm a little whore. Yeah, and I just love them. Also, these ones. Ew, look at that. Ew, my legs are so fucking disgusting. Ew, but like, you know, these shorts. Yeah, they're thrifted as well. Anyways, wow, that concludes my video. That was probably the most boring video I've ever made. And honestly, I'll be surprised if I post it. But, like this video, subscribe, and hopefully I'll make more content soon in the near future. I'm actually planning to, like, I have a couple videos in idea. Like, I have a couple videos in my head as creative ideas. Whatever the fuck, I can't fucking speak! But, yeah, so I will be making content, but what the fuck am I fucking saying? Okay, anyways, like and subscribe, and I'll just see you guys next time. Peace.
Too fast, we couldn't reach it with no